Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Baron Oil PLC. Now this company is listed in UK Stock Exchange or London Stock Exchange. So we have seen a huge amount of increase as far as the volume is concerned, and although there is a slight downside or a big downside from the highs of 2006 and 7, but because the oil sector is moving, and overall if you're looking at the commodity oil prices, whether you're talking about WTI or NYMEX, everything is moving on the higher side. So obviously the support holds. As you can see, in the last 2 years the support holds in between 0.06 and 0.05, where 0.06 will be your immediate support and 0.05 will have your stop loss. So don't go below 0.05 on the downside. Now as far as the overall range or the trend is concerned, you will have something like this. So this is the lower side support, and here we are. So these are the two support levels that we're gonna look at as far as the trend is concerned. So even though you have to maintain a strict stop loss below 0.04 or 0.05, but if the stock falls below 0.05, you have 0.02 as well, but you need not to go that far because the risk will increase appropriately. Now if you are looking at the level on the upside, you need to see the range first. So there is a range in between which the share price of the stock price is currently trading or moving. Now on the downside you have 0.06 and 0.05, and on the upside you have 0.13 and 0.16. so these are the two specific levels that you're gonna look at, and only if the share started trading above 0.16 you will have a further move on the upside. So that is another thing you need to look at. So this is the first range that we are looking at, in between 0.05 on the downside and 0.16 on the upside. Now let's say if the stock or the share started moving beyond 0.06, 0.16, then the next range that will open up for you will push the price towards or in between 0.60 and 0.71. So this will be the next big range that will open up if the stock started trading above 0.16. Now in absolute terms this may look very small, but in terms of percentage it is 600 or 700%. So because the stock share are trading so cheap, you have very low prices. Now you may ask that I am raising targets and I am giving levels on the upside like anything, and in a matter of couple of minutes I have raised the levels from the current price to as high as 0.70. So how far it could go and why it should go? Because if you are looking at the current range, you can see the trend line on the upside as well as on the downside, and what the trend line is indicating that we have a big range that will work in between. Here we are, 0.02 on the downside and 1 point between 1.91 and 2.24 GBP on the upside. So the range looks quite sharp and quite big, and that's why I have given all the levels if you are looking couple of weeks and couple of months. Now we have to see how this is going to perform, because understand this, we are approaching winters, and this is one of the big reasons specifically in UK, where you have the transportation crisis and the UK government are literally suffering from it. So if the energy crisis extends, and where the scenario is quite visible, and more specifically in terms of level, if Baron Oil continues to sustain above 0.06, you will see certain levels will evolve over a period of upcoming weeks and months. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.